Ciao guys, today I'm talking about something different. As you probably see on the last period, my tips section is gonna change a bit, so I'm gonna review more things than just GoPro and technology. But today I'm reviewing something that is very close to technology or is related to technology. I've got the things I'm gonna show you today in my hands. It's a white box, I've just received it. It's a white big box and quite heavy, but let's see what is inside. Here we go guys, here it is, the Lensball. Let's open it. There you go. Here's the box. Let's take this part first. Let's take it out. We got some coaster with a 20% discount. You've probably seen already. So this is a free discount of 20% I give to you. Be quick, the first one get 20% off discount. We got other coaster with another discount at the back. I want to show you these two, and then some other coaster. Everyone with a discount at the back. So you got already one free discount, 20%. If you wanna use it, you just take it from the video. Then we got just this advertising page. It's just explaining quickly what the Lensball is, how to not break it. And then you got a sticker, classic sticker, very good. You can stick on your laptop or whatever you want. And that's it. But the main part is this. Let's take it out. It's a 8mm Lensball. Let's take it out from the bottom, and as you can see, this is a full crystal ball of 8 cm diameter. It's quite difficult to show you a Lensball from here and pretend you know how to use it, so I'm gonna show you some of my picture. But basically what you see inside is the opposite, 180-degree opposite of what you see in the reality. So this is a thing that can make your creativity going crazy. Basically you can create any kind of thing with water, outside water, monument, city, landscape. It's only up to you. Here's the Lensball. Here's Rodrigo. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can comment below. In the description you find even a 20% discount code. The first guy that found it, the first guy that could use it. And it's all for today. Bye bye from London. Okay.